Hey, so hello everyone, welcome to the series 7-day study vlog challenge, and it's day 4. Okay, so after trying for 3 days, finally I woke up at 6 am. Yeah, so this is my first reward for this day. Yeah, so best way to stay productive whole day, you should start with making checklists, slots और सेशंस. तो यहाँ पे मैंने 4-5 सेशन बनाए थे और मेरा पहला सेशन था 6:30 से 8 बजे तक का. Alright, so we're going to study oxygen gynae today. So first thing first, let's make our small and achievable goals. Remember one thing, consistency is the key of perfection. So if you are making any routine, then you should more likely to follow it. Hey, so hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Myself Priyanka, a final year BSc Nursing student. So if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button for more such videos. So are you an aspirant or student nurse? Let me know in the comment section. और अगर तुम्हें भी मेरी तरह ये प्रॉब्लम है कि ज़्यादा देर तक बैठ के पढ़ नहीं पाते, then Pomodoro technique is the best for you and me. Study for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. So यहाँ पे मैंने सुबह के 2 स्टडी सेशंस और भी कंप्लीट किए थे, फिर लिया था एक लॉन्ग ब्रेक जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है एक प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी रूटीन के लिए. Yeah, so I studied placenta previa today, and let me giving you an idea about it shortly. Yeah, so placenta previa is a condition in pregnancy where the placenta partially or completely blocks or obstructed baby's exit canal, that is internal os. So in this case, woman comes with complaint of painless bleeding from vagina. So hope you guys are enjoying this series. Yeah, so catch you in the next vlog. Until then, stay focused and stay motivated. Thank you so much for watching.